A ball thrown vertically upwards rises to a height of 20 meter. Calculate the velocity with which the ball is thrown upward and the time taken by the ball to reach the highest point, and g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Now, a ball is vertically thrown upward. It is thrown upward. A ball is vertically thrown upward. So, any object to go upward, it has to be thrown up. And when it is to be thrown up, its velocity slowly decreases and finally it becomes 0. So, final velocity here is 0. So, v is equal to 0. Final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is not known. So, the velocity with which ball is thrown upward is to be found. So, this is to be found. And we have to find how much time it takes to reach that highest point. What is given? Acceleration is equal to 10 meter per second square approximately. On earth we all know that acceleration, that is a, which is due to the gravity, so it is called acceleration due to gravity and represented as small g, which is 10 meter per second square. Now since the object is going up, this is minus 10 meter per second square. Why? The velocity is decreasing. We all know that when the velocity reduces, the acceleration becomes negative, and that is called as negative acceleration or retardation or deceleration. So here the acceleration is negative because we have thrown with a greater velocity, it comes to a 0 velocity. And now we have v equals 0, g is equal to minus 10 meter per second square, and u equals question mark, t is given, t is once again a question mark. Now how can we find first u and then t? Let us take this equation. V is equal to u plus at, and a becomes g. Why? G is nothing but acceleration. G is given, t is not given, u is not given, v is not given, v is given. So, two things are not there with us, and that's why we cannot. But we are given one more quantity called distance. Distance is 20 meters. And therefore, let us study, can we go for v square minus u square is equal to 2as? And where do we use this equation? To find what? Let's say v is there, u is not there, 2 is there, 2 is constant, a is acceleration due to gravity, that you can write as g, and s is there. So we can find out u here. Substitute this, v equals 0 minus u square is equal to 2 into 10 minus 10 into 20, which is equal to minus u square is equal to minus 400, and minus minus goes, u is equal to 20 meter. Simple. We have found what is u equals. Now I'll take just this much of space here for to find t equals. So t equals question mark. Now we can go for v equals u plus gt. So u plus gt is equal to v. I have interchanged it, and u is 20 plus 10 into t is equal to 0. So 10t is equal to this is minus 10. So minus 10t is equal to minus 20. So t is equal to minus 20 divided by minus 10. So t is equal to 2 seconds. and therefore u equals 20 meter and t equals 2 seconds. That's the answer.